Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we're going to use this pink color of crepe paper. You can also use white color of tissue paper in place of this. As you can see, we're going to hold it from one corner and start twisting it, and look, it's ready. Hold it using your thumb and then we're going to twist it like this. After this, we're going to hold it from the front position and then start rolling it. Look how we are doing here in this video. Hold it from the bottom part, keep it loose and roll it. Your flower is ready. Finally, we're going to use a thread and then tie it. You can also secure it using a rubber band. Open the petals and look, your beautiful flower is ready. We are going to roll the yarn on the straws, cut it and then divide it into two. Now we are going to remove the thread of the white color of ribbon and paste it on the top of the green one. Again, we are going to lose the threads like this. Now roll it around a green stick and look, it's ready. Let's make the leaves now. So use this green color of crepe paper and it's ready. As you can see, we're going to cut these pieces. Paste 3 pieces together using hot glue gun and make 8 such flower petals. After this, take this yellow color of foam net, roll it and make the center flower. Paste it on the top of the green stick using hot glue gun. Keep adding petals around it and look, your flowers are ready. You can also add leaves later. As you can see, we're going to make multiple cut and then roll it around the green stick. Paste it using double-sided tape. Let's make the leaves now using the green straw. Paste it like this and we're going to cover it using floral tape and it's ready. As you can see, we're going to roll it around this card. Cut small pieces and paste it on the top of this double-sided tape and then remove the thread. Now we're going to keep adding more strips for the density and then remove it as well. Now we're going to roll it around the green stick and look how beautiful this is looking. You can use it as decor piece. We're going to tie a knot on the top of the strip and then remove it using double-sided tape. We're going to roll it around this green stick and paste it as well. We are using this green color of crepe paper. Cut the leaves and then roll it using floral tape and it's ready. We're going to use this wire and put the rose flower shape on the top of it, and then we are going to tie a knot, twist it and look, it's ready. Now we are going to put some leaves as well and make such rose flower sticks. Now we are going to combine all of them together and then twist it. Now we are going to adjust the rose flowers and look how beautiful these are looking. We are using this purple color of yarn, roll it around the fingers, cut it and look, your flower is ready. Make more such flowers and then we are going to tuck them together. We are using this floral tape. Look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.